Good day. Hello, I am Erwin. Today, I will show you the list of supported vehicle of Launch X431 PRO3 and also the special functions, and also the list of vehicles supported by Launch CRP. Okay, first open your browser. In the search address bar, type DBS car, then click the website of DBS car. Then in the DBS car website, go to data center and click repair data. Repair data. Sorry for my okay. These are the list of resets and list of vehicles supported by Launch X431 PRO3. To see the list of special functions of Launch X431 PRO3, select specific model and let's see what are the special function inside Honda. Try Honda, then let's wait. Okay, in the functions, click special functions. These are the list of special functions supported by Launch X431 PRO3, one of 13 page of special functions. Okay, back. Let's select another model. Let's go to Chevrolet. Click the special functions. These are the list of special functions for Chevrolet, one of 1,925 special functions available for Chevrolet. It's back. And the heavy duty or the truck model supported by Launch X431 PRO3, click this heavy duty series. These are the list of supported trucks by Launch X431 PRO3. Let's see the available special functions for Caterpillar. Click functions, select special functions. These are the available special functions for Caterpillar, one of 29 pages. Special functions available only for Caterpillar. For another truck model, different brand, different special function. Okay, for Isuzu, okay, like Isuzu, special functions for Isuzu. These are the available special functions for Isuzu truck only, one of 54 pages. Okay, now let's see the supported car of Launch CRP vehicle scanner. Click the data center, CRP vehicle. The Launch CRP has no special function, only the reset, bleeding basic reset, no special function. Example, let's see if there is a special function for Kia. There is no special function for Kia. Okay, that's all. Now you can see here this website the available special functions and supported car brands, truck brands on Launch X431. Thank you very much.